Hello everyone, welcome back to plot number 1, somewhere in northeast London. You might recall I've got my asparagus bed there on the right, my globe artichokes just to the left there that I've planted, and then the rest of that bed over there I dug it twice a couple of weeks ago. So what I'm going to plant is rows of onions, leeks, shallots. First of all I'm going to leave some space on this side, this end of the bed. I want to plant some perennial things in there, but I'm not sure what they are yet. So basically this is my first line down this side. Right, first off, a row of leeks. Leek number 1, please. Multi-sown, about 5 leeks in there. That's my first row of leeks, Hafsestausen, whatever you call them. I've moved over about a foot. Now I'm going to plant a row of organic leeks over there, down that side. The soil here is bone dry, but whether these leeks will survive, I've got no idea, guys. This is my first year of growing vegetables, apart from last year, which was a little bit indoors. So anyway, let's get started on those ones. That's my 3 rows of leeks. Some organic ones and some other ones. That soil is bone dry and still full of small pebbles. I don't even know if it's going to work. But I've put them in just below the surface of the soil. I know the traditional way is to dig a hole and pop them in the hole and fill the hole with water, but at the moment that hole, if I dug it with an iron pole, it would just collapse in on itself. That's 2 rows of onions in, Bedfordshire and Red Baron. Okay, that's the 2 rows of shallots there planted on the left, followed by Red Baron and Bedfordshire, and then 3 rows of leeks at the end. That's that bed planted up, guys, except for that end. So it's been a couple of days since I've planted the shallots, onions and leeks. The next job is to place a border of fallen logs around the edge of these 2 beds so I can see where it is in the plot. I'm going to line that with logs today just to try and keep the soil damp and sort of mark out the shape and area of the beds. So let's get started.
I'm driving down an empty freeway. You're waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
There we are. That didn't take long, did it? About 10 minutes. Yeah, I mean, it marks out the area fairly simply, but I'm not putting anything down the middle because I might want to walk down there. So that's the onion and leek bed with the asparagus bed. Coming back with food here. We've got a takeout delivery coming to a nest box near you. So I've just made that log edging around the asparagus and onion bed, and I've decided that just on the right there in this section here where I left the border yesterday, I'm going to plant this plant here, which is Society Garlic. And I first came across that on Maura Gamble's YouTube channel. A brilliant, fantastic resource for permaculture enthusiasts. She said Society Garlic, you can use it for chop and drop, you can chop it up, put it on your vegetables. It's absolutely delicious, and sort of a mild garlic flavour. So I'm going to have that as a chop and drop in this area here, and that hopefully is going to fix some of the soil and provide some nutrients in the long run, and also some garlic for us to pick to put in our salads or in our cooking and so on. Tulbagia violacea, Society Garlic, fragrant purple flowers, good at pest control, flowers from summer into autumn. Height of 60 centimetres, that's 2 foot. Spread 6 inches, depth of just over an inch. Position in full sun to partial shade. Flowers July to October.